Oh my Lord. Or is it the wine? I don't know, but I'm feeling mighty fine as I take a sip. Damn, that's so good, I just might have to dip. And that's Spoken Road by Dark and Honest. Thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you. Your claps boost up my ego. You make my head bigger than what it is. Okay, thank you so much. Oh my God, please. Oh, the applause is so much. Oh my God. The applause is so much. Oh my God, my cup runneth over. My cup runneth over it. Hey y'all, it's your boy Dr. Honey's Done, and today, honey, we are coming at you with a review / first impression. You already know what it is, baby. We got our drinks. So, baby, get your makeup, get your brushes, get your cup, and let's go ahead and sip and beat this mug, honey. Okay? Okay, honey? Okay. My whistle a little messed up. My whistle, I don't know how to do it like Curdy. I don't know how to do it like Curdy, but you know, it was close enough. It was close enough. It was close. It was giving what it gave on the day that it was given, because I always try to give you something that you can feel. If anything, y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for a baddie, yaddy, and share, because sharing is caring, and that's the only type of caring we like in this household. You dig me? Okay, y'all, so I ain't gonna hold y'all up, because you know y'all gotta go ahead and get to class, because Ricky is the instructor and I am the what? I am the masterpiece. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Because I know you see I know you see the material. I know you see the material. The material is this face, honey. Okay? I know you see it. You can't miss it. Yes, yes, honey. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. You right. You right. Jerry right. Jerry right. Alright, y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all up. Let's go ahead and get y'all over to the classroom so that Ricky can get y'all started on the assignment, honey. Alright? Alright, y'all. Move it along. Hey, y'all. What's up? It's your boy Ricky, the brush of the tutorial. What it is, though, but what's up? First things first, drink of the video. So I'm drinking on some Barefoot Merlot. This is what we sipping on today. Sipping on a little of that. And basically today we're going to be doing like a review. A review / first impressions of some products that I got from TikTok, or products that TikTok sent me. So let's go ahead and get into that. This is the first one, which I don't think I need. Yeah, I need a knife to open this. If I have scissors over here. But yeah, how you guys been? Let's see, what's the topic of this video? Oh. I have topics written down. Like, I have some on my wall over here, and then I have some in my phone. So let me check in my phone while I'm opening up this package that my agency through TikTok was so nice to send me. Alright, so bam. So this is from Tarte. So this is what the box looks like. It comes with the product wrapped up. And we're just gonna take the product out of here. Oh baby, they got this wrapped, huh? Huh? Then they have this here. It says POV, you sign up for Tarte and get 20% off free shipping and returns. So Yes, if you guys want to scan that QR code real quick, y'all can. And on the back, it's just some basic information and stuff. Nothing that we need. Nothing we need. So let's open this bad boy up and get into the two products. The two products that we're getting into, which are these beautiful products here. So these beautiful products here. So the first one is called the Maracuja Juicy Lip and Cheek Shift. So this is kind of like a, let's see, they're perfect shades. Wipe into lip and apple of cheeks and blend to reveal your custom color. I'm not really sure what this is, to be honest, but we're gonna try it out. And this one is an inner eyeliner. This is an eyeliner in the color nude. Right, this is an eye highlight. So that's the one we're gonna be using first. I'm gonna pop that out. So we're gonna put that. So this is what it looks like. It's nude, just like the packaging. It has a thinner end, a smaller end, and it also has a bigger end as well. So it has the bigger end, which, why is it not coming off? Hello? I think this is a smudger or eraser. Let me see what this is. What this is. Perfect Awake. Let's see. Because I don't know what this end part is. But a part of me thinking that maybe it's a smudger. But let's just focus on this part. This is how much product you get. That's how much product you get for this. I'm not really sure how much this costs, but it will be posted on my TikTok. So let's go ahead and let's apply it. Okay. Right. First thing I noticed right off the bat, it is very smooth. It's very smooth on the eye. There's no tug at all. It's very smooth. It's very velvety. It's very smooth, very velvety. Let's see what this bottom part does. It kind of erases it. But yeah, it's very velvety on the eye. It's pigmented. It has just what you need. And it gives you that perfect, makes the eyes look a little bigger and awake. Yes, so that's what it looks like applied. So it has a really nice color to it. It's very smooth. Just to kind of give my final thoughts while I'm doing. It's very smooth. It's smooth. It has almost a buttery application to it. It does have pigment, as you can see. I only put it on. I had to swipe it one time, baby, and it went. Okay, so the pigment is there. It is claimed to be waterproof. I'm not gonna try that, to be honest. But yeah, I love this. I would most definitely use this again. When I'm trying to do like bigger eye looks, I will use this again. So let's go ahead and use this one, the Lip and Cheek Shift. I'm going to use it on my lip today. Just to see what it's giving. So this is what it looks like. It looks kind of like a gloss. So I'm just going to... Oh yeah. It goes on like a gloss. And it makes the lips look very voluptuous. I overdrew my lips a little, so they was already looking a little DSL XL, but you know, now they really looking plump. It's very smooth on the lips. It feels almost like an oil. It doesn't give like like classic lip gloss. It's not it doesn't feel very thick and gloopy and goopy like it usually is. Right, it's not like too thick. It has a nice viscosity to it. And I love that. I don't feel like the color really, you don't really see the color too much, to be honest. So that's something that you have to not worry about, is the blue shift. I don't see a blue shift at all. It's very good. It's not sticky. So if this was to be used as a gloss, it's not sticky at all. Of course, with a gloss, it is going to transfer. That's what glosses do. It is going to transfer. But that's basically it for that product. Then I also have this other product that I got from TikTok, which is a liner. So we're going to use that here today. I'm going to cut this open because these little Ziploc bags do not work for me, like, whatsoever. Honey, they don't work for me. No, they don't. Okay? But look how cute that is. That is very cute. So this is an eyeliner. So let's apply it. So I'm going to just start from here. I don't know why my boyfriend keep calling me. He knows I'm filming. Then we're going to wing it out. Bam. A nice gold liner. And I'm going to outline here. Just so you can really see it. You see that? Ooh. I'm going to put on a darker liner too on the bottom. I'm mainly going to keep that liner up there at the top. Bam. A little cute liner, but I love this little glitter liner. I love this glitter liner. It's really cute. It's giving what it needs to give. So I'm going to go ahead and put on a lash, and then we're going to kind of get into the final reveal of just the whole look all together. But yeah, this is a really simple eye look. Nothing too crazy, but we're going to go ahead and give it a go, okay? So we'll switch all over to darker harness, okay? Okay. Okay. What it is though, but what's up, y'all? I am a little tip. I'm a little tip. So that's for my big one. I'm doing my big one right now. Okay, getting a little lit on camera. Getting a little lit on camera. Y'all, I mean. Anyways, I really hope that you guys is enjoying the content that I am putting out here into the YouTubeverse. I hope that it was given, that it needs to give on the day that it was given, because I always try to give you something that you can feel, honey. Yes, indeed. Yes, ma'am. I hope I'm giving in the YouTubeverse what I need to give. Period. It's on period. You understand me, honey? You understand me, honey? Okay. And while we on the subject, honey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for Batty, and share. Because sharing is caring, and that's the only type of caring we like in this household. You did? Okay. Okay, I'm so glad we had this conversation, boo-boo. Okay, boo. I'm glad we had this conversation. Oh, my God. You play too much. Oh, you play too much. Stop. For real. I'm for real. You play too much. Ooh, you play too much. But anyways, also don't forget to hit that little ding-a-ding-a-ding, that notification bell, so that you can be notified every time your boy posts. You know, sometimes I post my shorts from TikTok. So get a notification every time I post, so you'll never miss a beat. And I'm talking about this one, because this mug is what? Beat. And you don't want to what? Never miss a beat. Beat by Ricky. Beat by Dr. Honeys. Okay, we doing too much now. Anyways, y'all, I really do hope y'all guys are enjoying this content. Y'all know I always try to be as crazy, as wired as I can. Because, child, I be getting off of work filming these videos, and I be so effing mother-sucking tired. Mother-tucking tired. I be so mother-tucking tired, honey. Okay? So y'all gotta appreciate me for all this effort I'm putting up in here. You know what I mean? Okay. Okay. Anyways, I ain't gonna hold y'all up too long, because look, y'all got stuff to do. We are halfway through the week, honey. You got this. I believe in you. It's Wednesday. Baby, you gonna get through this week. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, living on a prayer. Okay, so take my hand and let's go ahead and finish off this week with a strong. Finish this week off strong. Okay, so y'all go ahead and go now. Go ahead and go. Until next time. Peace.